right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And it is a late start to the vlog, but we are gonna head out to a little Taco Tuesday joint. First time my buddy's been to Taco Tuesday, so you know, we gotta go ahead and show him what Texas is all about. If you guys are enjoying the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and we are going to be on our way right now. Now, I am still debating if I want to pull down, or I said he pulled down, if I want to pulley down before Texas 2K, because if everything goes right, this time next week, I should be actually heading up to Dallas to get some runs in, but that is if everything goes according to plan. I'm not too sure if I want to pulley down, just because I honestly don't really trust the ProCharger. It's just one of those things where, you know, I've had issues in the past, and I'm like, you know what, is it really that worth it? We'll see. You know what, I'm gonna get the pulley. I'll go down on the 4.88 pulley, which is on the car right now, which is spec'd for about 8-9 pounds of boost. Open blower, it should be cooler out, should be making realistically about 9 pounds, hopefully, but in all reality it's probably like 8, because it's literally a hockey puck size pulley. It's massive. If I get gapped bad, then I'll pulley down for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Might be going Thursday, we'll see how things pan out, but I'm definitely gonna go down Friday and Saturday if everything goes to plan. But Tuesday, got some runs lined up if people don't flake. You know how people are. You try to schedule some runs and you know, this and that, which, you know, it could be a legitimate excuse, but we shall see, man. We shall see. I need to do an oil change before I go down there, because it's going to be like a 300-mile journey. I believe actually 300. It might not be 300 actually. It might be like 200 something. It's actually not as far as I think it is, because I've actually made the commute in the Shelby GT350 like a couple weeks after I pro-charged it, and it really wasn't even that bad. Like, getting down there wasn't bad at all. Driving back up, you know, well, going up there wasn't that bad. Driving back down wasn't that bad, but I did leave early in the morning. It's gonna be kind of reversed. I'm gonna be leaving at like 6-7 o'clock, and then coming back at like, I don't know, 3-4 in the morning, something like that. Headed back 3-4 in the morning. We'll see how plans pan out and how things go, but it should be fun. If you are going to Texas 2K, let me know down in the comment section, man. If you want to get some runs in, let me know down in the actually, don't do that. Private message me on Instagram. private message me on Instagram. My link is going to be at the top of the description, or at least near the top of the description, and we can go ahead and set something up, man, because that's all I'm doing, call outs. I ain't going out in no big group. Forget all that. That is sketchy, and I'm staying away from all that. I want to make sure that, you know, I get some good runs in against cars that, you know, actually make sense to race. You feel me? I'm trying to make sure that I actually get some content, and I actually go ahead and put the car up against cars that make sense. You know, similar setup cars, or cars that I may want to go ahead and get into down the line. You know, I would love to go ahead and run up against like a full bolt-on C7Z, E85, something like that. If I lose, cool, I don't care. A bolt-on ZR1, if I lose, cool, I don't care, because they're both cars that I want to get into in the future. So I'm trying to race stuff like that, things that actually make sense. So yeah, when we get closer to the meet, I'll pick up the vlog. People already tripping, y'all. I'll pick up the vlog. The weather was actually crazy this morning. I'm honestly kind of surprised that they still have this going on today, because in the morning it was raining, it was windy, it was terrible outside, fellas. Like, if you live in the Houston area, y'all know this morning was cooked. I mean, I lost power for like a little bit. It was that bad. But yeah, when I get closer to the meet, I will go ahead and turn the vlog back on. But like I said, if you have a car that makes sense, that will be a good run against an 800 ish wheel horsepower Shelby GT350? Let me know down in the comment section, man. I'd love to run it. Alrighty, we are about to pull up. Look at this speed racer over here. Relax, brother, man. You're going nowhere. We're next to a school, like hella cops. Like, what are you doing? Oh, some people just in a rush to go nowhere. It is hella dark out here, though, too. Like, Jesus. Bump is crazy. Actually might be fully packed, like, because it's the first of the month and it's actually nice out. That's why. I've actually never seen it like this fully packed though. I've actually never seen this like this fully packed. Obviously the cars are over there, but like I've actually never seen this place like this fully packed. This looks badass. On some welds tucked up there. Looks actually kind of sick. Holy cow. appreciate an SVJ, that's for sure. Carbon hood. Vents. Man, look at all the ducting under the car though, dude. Like this is, look at the ducting. Shit, dude. C8 Z06 OG Mustang. Not bad, not bad. What is this? What up? This is actually pretty cool. Man, damn. Imagine putting like a coyote in here. You got a don't die banner. That's crazy. C7 Grand Sport, 416 and a blower.
Midway through,
And then we got a BRZ. Oh, look at this wrap. The Supreme Hyundai. Nah. The Supreme Hyundai. Woo. Some more bikes pulling up.
Those tacos were actually kind of nice.
Yeah, dude, they were good. They're way better than the last truck we went to.
Yeah, the chicken was just hella dry.
Yeah, I think because they cooked that, we got a fresh batch for sure. We got lucky. We for sure got a fresh batch, and it was good. Oh shit, there's like hella people in the back of the bed over there. They going crazy. It really reminds me like the tailgating at like a high school football game, like 30 people in the back of a truck. Did they do that at your high school?
Not like tailgates, not
No?
like that, nah.
That must be a Midwest thing, a Southern thing, I guess. Because
Although I ain't gonna cap, I did not attend them bitches at all.
you didn't?
No, hell no. Think I give a fuck about a high school football game?
Yeah, people ain't going for the football game.
Man, I was I was working.
People didn't go for the football game.
I was making some money.
Freshman year?
I was making like $7.25 at the time.
So you're working every single Friday night for a high school football game?
Yes.
Cap.
I swear.
Cause I started as soon as I hit 16, bro. I got my ass a job, and I made sure that I could go to some high school football games.
Bro, I want one of these so bad.
What?
I want a
The Q60?
so bad. The Red Sport.
The shop's pretty good.
That thing sounds good.
Yeah, bro. Like those high school, they were cool. Like You missed out on a good experience.
No, I did not, bro.
You did.
They were lame as hell.
Maybe at your school you probably had a weak ass football team.